everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I have no makeup on because I am going to review the Lotus Herbals Radiant Glow Cellular Glow Facial Kit. I purchased this recently from Health and Glow while I was shopping at the mall and I did not use it at all. So I finally decided to give it a go and review the product, and does this really work or it was just a waste of my money. I will also put the price down below what it costed me because I don't remember. I think it was $1.99 because usually it was priced at $2.65, but I had bought so many things that I got this for $1.99. It's what I believe. I usually try face masks a lot just to see what works for my face because I have normal skin, but however it's very sensitive. So anything that just does not suit my skin tends to break out a lot. So we are going to review this kit today and we will see, does this really work for the skin or is just a waste of your money? Comment down below if you would like me to review any other facial kits or facial masks for you, and I would definitely love to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have just tied my hair in a top bun and I'm going to try the Lotus Herbals Radiant Gold Cellular Glow Facial Kit. And this has 4 packets inside. Whoops, I was holding them upside down. So this has 4 packets inside and this is the 4-step process. So the first is the cleansing scrub. So I have no makeup on whatsoever. I just have Maybelline Baby Lips applied on my lips. That's it. So I'm going to open the cleansing scrub and apply it all over my face. Whoops, it was not working, and here I have my faithful scissors to cut the packet off. I'm just going to apply the scrub all over my face and my neck and then scrub my face for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that it's exfoliated completely and in a very nice manner. That is the first step of the process, which is exfoliation, and that can be done by the cleansing scrub. Just scrub, scrub, scrub away. Then with the help of a wet cotton pad, I'm just going to clean my face. You can also wash your face if you want after this process to get rid of the scrub. My face looks cleaner already with the scrubbing. I can see that my face has a glow now. Moving on to step 2, I have the activator. I'm going to take 4 or 5 drops of the activator and apply on my face and massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes again, so that my face absorbs all the activator. After that is done, we will move on to step 3, which is the massage cream. And I'm going to take a lot of massage cream, apply it all over my face, and then start working my way through it. First, I thought I had applied a lot of cream on my face and I thought this would be wasted. However, when I massaged the cream all over, it just soaked it up. My skin soaked up the entire cream and my face became so smooth. Now, without washing my face, I'm going to move on to step 4, which is the actual gold mask. And again, I'm going to take generous amount of that mask and apply it all over my face. I will leave the mask on my face until it dries up, and then I'm again going to use a damp cotton and rub it off.
A few moments later.
So the 4-step treatment is finally done on my face, and I must say my face looks visibly healthier than before. Coming to the product, the Lotus Herbals Radiant Glow Cellular Glow Facial Kit. For me personally, this kit definitely worked, and I have a normal skin and I do have sensitive skin. So when usually I apply masks or any kind of facial kits or any cleansers, which is not my usual regular one, I tend to break out. However, now I don't feel anything on my face. It does not burn, which happens with most of the other face masks that I have applied in the past. Definitely has moisturized my skin a lot. My skin feels really very smooth, and there is a radiant glow. And this is me without wearing any makeup. I've just put on the Maybelline Baby Lips, and I do feel a difference in my skin than earlier, and I'm glad I purchased this one because this gets a really big thumbs up from my end. This is a really good facial kit, especially if you are a bride or you have an upcoming big ceremony. You can definitely go for this. Once a week I think would be enough for this kit. You can do this either on a Saturday or a Sunday or when you are free, and you will be good to go. It does not take a long time. It has a 4-step process though, but your skin will thank you later for the nourishment that you have given it. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, loved it, enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel down below. Also press the bell icon to get notified of all my new upcoming videos. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.